Right, as you can see, I've got all my models here, and you've tested them all. And personally, actually, they're all different, all 4 different stages for each model. Which one would you honestly say is the best one? Which one says not very good? Which one you say you like about different kind of models?
Okay.
So,
The ones here that you showed me, which are based on fitting onto the worktop,
yeah,
as we explained before, I think the idea is good. I like the handle.
yeah,
I like the idea of it. We proved that it worked.
that one probably worked the best.
Yeah, it worked very well. It's got its case down, the container down the bottom to collect the juice. As I said, I'd want to see some rubber, some protection for a worktop.
Yeah,
But yeah, it's quite good. And which really came from this development.
Yeah,
that was that. Your other ideas of this, the bungee jump as you call it, I thought was quite good. You got the spikes there, which you really do need.
yeah,
It worked.
it did work.
Yeah. And you've got the container down the bottom, which was good. We mentioned about some form of lip in there to extract the juice afterwards. This one, I have to say, is not one of my favourites. I think I can understand the idea, but I think that it does need a lot more work on it.
But you
to
can see the
make
stages where it has changed.
I can see where it's
Yeah.
changed. And that obviously was your prototype and your first go at it. Going on to back to the bungee jump and the first stage, which was this one, which I said was great, but it needed a lot of work. You've done that on this.
Yeah.
You've then improved it again on this one, which I quite like, with the handles, so that you've got the slide up and down. You don't lose this. The orange fits, any size orange would fit under there, and you've got your container. No, you didn't, but you're going to put a
the
container on
you can
there.
just take it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and
it
you
all
can
fits the
take it
same.
on there, and that flushes through.
Yeah.
The last one, and I have to say, I think it's my favourite. Yeah, it's my favourite one. Is this one? I think that this can be developed in such a way that it can be. I think what you need is something that's not going to take up a lot of space. It's easy to use for people in the morning when they want to have their fresh orange juice. And I think, as we said before, with this being wider, keeping the circular cylinder shape to it all, and designing the handle, keeping
Definitely.
the mechanism in it in turning the actual orange, but in designing that so it's more appealing in a round sort of way.
Yeah.
Will be, I think, in nice coloured plastics.
Yeah. Hygiene is the main thing about this one.
Hygiene, it has to be plastic.
Yeah,
obviously,
it will be
as
made
you
out
know,
as it's the models.
and I think it will look good in in anybody's cupboard, and you can produce it in different colours.
Yeah.
And can be quite funky.
Just quickly, you didn't mention this one. Did you not notice that one or?
Yeah, no,
You
that's
didn't like that?
fine. I like it because it's in plastic already.
Yeah.
And I'm sure all
Yeah, of
these
course.
will be.
Yeah.
So it automatically appeals. And obviously you've got the spout, the top here to turn the orange and get the maximum. And of course you've got your pip holder and it drains through. But as we said when we looked at this,
It's quite difficult.
it's difficult to use. You've got to get a bowl and it gets all over your hands. But as a development, yes, something
Overall,
like that could actually work. Maybe you could design it around the circular one that I like.
But overall, this is your favourite, and you would say go for this.
Yeah, I would.
Preference.
From my point of view, I think that's the most appealing.
Okay, brilliant.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.